Hi, this is a question from GATE 2008 which says a point on the curve is said to be an extremum if it is a local minima or local maxima. The number of distinct extrema for the curve 3x to the power of 4 minus 16x cubed plus 24x square plus 37 is how much is the question. Alright, so please note that extremum means either minima or maxima. By that I mean the following. If I draw, let's say, the curve, which could be something like this, as you can see there is a maxima here, a minima here. Alright, so this is called a maxima, this is called a minima, and there could be many such maxima and minima. It's called a local maxima. See, for example, there is another maxima here, as you can see, but this one is bigger than this one is bigger than this one. By local maxima I mean in a given neighborhood it peaks. It either peaks, you either have a crest or a trough. Simply speaking, this is a very easy question which can be found by the following method. Given f of x, simply differentiate f of x and equal it to 0 and find all roots. The roots will denote the maxima or minimum. You will not get to know which one is maxima, which one is minima, but you will get to know how many number of maxima minima is present by looking at the roots of f dash x. So let's try finding the roots of this particular problem given. This problem. Okay, let me change the screen mode. Alright, so the question is 3x to the 4 minus 16x cube plus 24x square plus 37. What are the total number of extremum points that you can think of for this? So as I told you, just find f dash of x and equate it to 0. Equate it to 0. What is f dash of x? Let me find the derivative of this particular function. So it happens to be the following: 12x cube minus 16 3s are 48 x square plus 48x plus 37 is 0, so it is so much. This must be equated to 0, which means, as you can see, you can take x common, and that implies that x equals 0 is a root of this. When you take x common, you will be left with 12x square minus 48x plus 48 equals 0. You can take 12 out, that will give you x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0, and you know that for such a quadratic equation the solution, in whatever way you want to try, you can even try by trial and error, or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Any such elementary method will tell you that the roots are 2 and 2 repeated. As you can see, the total number of roots, let me write the grand finale result. The answer is x equals 0, 2 and 2 are the roots. So it has 2 distinct roots, which means there is precisely 2 extremum points. So let me get back to the question. The answer is 2. Let's see whether the option had 2 in it. Yes, the answer has 2 in it. So 2 is the